Hey, this is Jennifer, and in today's video, we're gonna do a shimmy cardio routine. As you may know, if you've watched some of my other videos, I love shimmying. I think shimmying is one of the best things that we can do for our bodies. So I'll show you the shimmy, but this is what a shimmy looks like. And it's so beneficial for getting the energy moving in our bodies. So due to stress, due to working, due to life, we have a lot of stress. And so shimmy is a way to work that stress out through your body, and it feels amazing. And it's also an incredible workout. So I put together a really fun routine for you today that uses the shimmies to get your cardio, to get a good workout, and also relieve your stress. I can virtually guarantee you that by the end of this short routine, you're gonna be feeling energized, you're gonna feel less stressed, and you're gonna feel like, wow, I got a really good workout in just a few short minutes. Something like that. If you're looking for more variety in your belly dance videos, as well as specific step-by-step tutorials on how to do each movement, and just a way to have a way to progress in your belly dance routine, then you'll want to check out my Feminine Fire program. There is a link in the description box below. You can get a 7-day trial for only $1, and it's an amazing program. I dare say it's the most comprehensive belly dance program online. So let's get started with our shimmy cardio session. All right, so welcome to Shimmy Cardio. We're gonna have some fun today. Let me just show you the movements that we're gonna be doing in our combo. So we have a front, back, front together. Let's try the other side. Front, back, front together. Front, back, front together. Front, back, front together. 5, 6, 7, 8. So the foot is just going forward and back. Front, back, front together, front, back, front together, front, back, front together, front, back, front together. And you're just staying pretty lifted in your upper body. Keep a soft bend in the knee. 1, 2, now let's talk about our shimmies. So we're gonna start putting our shimmies in. When we do our shimmy, it's really coming from the knee, going forward and back. Kind of that same feeling as when you have to go to the bathroom and you're doing the pee dance, and naturally your knees are just going forward and back. You wanna try to keep your knees, your hips, your entire leg pretty loose and relaxed. That's gonna help the shimmy to move freely. Okay, we're also gonna be putting in some shoulder shimmies. So here the shoulders are just going forward and back. Think about this move coming more from your back than the front of the shoulder. Okay, let's add in some of our shimmies into this combo. So I'll show you how this goes. And starting on the right, front, back, front together, and front, back, front together, shimmy. Other side, front, back, front together, shimmy. Front, back, front together, shimmy. Front, back, front together, shimmy. And front, back, front together, shimmy. Last time, and front, back, front together, shimmy. Now we're gonna add the shoulders. 1, 2, 3, 4, and knees for 4. Let's do shoulders, 2, 3, 4, and knees. Shoulders and knees. Shoulders and knees. Last time, shoulders and knees. Let's go front, back, front. Shoulders and knees. Shoulders and knees. Okay, new move. We're gonna do a downward figure 8. So we go up and down. Other side, we squeeze and down. Squeeze and down. So it looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now we're gonna do it at regular speed. And 1, 2. You can just stick to a step together step if you don't wanna add that downward 8. Step together step. And now we're gonna add the shimmy on the end. 2, 3, 4, shimmy. You could do it with the legs or the shoulders. I'll do shoulders here. And 3, 4. So you could alternate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, let's put all of that together. Take a nice deep breath. 5, 6, starting from the beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4, shimmy. 1, 2, 3, 4, shimmy. Shoulders and knees, downward 8. Front, back, front. Shimmy. And front, back, front, shimmy. Shoulders and knees. Downward 8. 2, 3, 4. Okay. Last few times. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Shoulders. 8. Front, back, front. Shoulders and knees, downward 8. Last time, and shoulders and knees, downward 8. It really gets your blood moving, right? It's like you feel all this heat, this energy getting moved in your body when you shimmy, which is what I love about them. Also really great for relieving stress. So if you want more detailed step-by-step instruction on how to do these movements, I know we didn't spend a lot of time on it, then definitely check out my Feminine Fire program. You can get a 7-day trial for $1, and I break down everything. Every single belly dance movement is in there. I hope you had fun today, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.